Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify your HP supports the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and that the router is broadcasting a distinct 5 GHz SSID. This matters because 5 GHz offers faster speeds but shorter range. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on the laptop and open Windows Settings Network and Internet. You will choose the 5 GHz SSID rather than a 4 GHz one, so make sure you know the exact SSID and password before proceeding to the next step. Now you scan networks and select the 5 GHz SSID. You will see it separate from 4 GHz if the router names are distinct. If the network is missing, open Device Manager and check the wireless adapter supports 802.11ac/AX. Update its driver from HP support or the adapter vendor. Once updated, restart the adapter or PC, then run Windows Network Troubleshooter to refresh scans. These steps fix common compatibility or driver issues that prevent your laptop from seeing the 5 GHz band. Finally, connect to the 5 GHz SSID using the correct password and set the network profile to private for file sharing and printer discoverability. This affects firewall behavior. After connecting, run a speed test and compare results versus 4 GHz. 5 GHz should show higher throughput though shorter range, so move closer to the router if needed. If problems remain, change the router's 5 GHz channel range, reboot both devices, and recheck drivers. These actions usually resolve interference or compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.